Welcome to a video by Abron. Today we'll study the different thermometers available with us. This particular thermometer is, it is written on the top, which is the accuracy. This is 1 by 10, means 1/10 of a degree. You can see. Suppose if you are to see 80, 8 and 10. This is starting from 100, 100 and 102. 102 between 102 there are 20 lines. Each line you can see there are. I can show you closer look. See this, these are the lines which are available. You can see, so this is the line which is there. You can see this is 100 line and 100 and 102 line, and there are 20 lines. So this is 1 by 10. It shows on the top of every thermometer we have written what is the accuracy. This is a glass black yellow back thermometer with the alcohol. Same comes with the mercury. This thermometer is mercury thermometer, but starting from -10 it goes to 200 and then it goes to 200 and 250. Above 100 and 150 the alcohol thermometer is not available because the evaporation point is 180, so it will not work more than 150. So this one is mercury thermometer, but up to 250. This one is again a mercury, but this is one is not having only the top is round. We have got the thermometer which is having a top where you can put the thread. Nowadays we are putting this rubber caps which are it will not allow the thermometer to rotate, but you can take it out from here. I can show you. You can take it out and then put it back so that you can see. We have got another thermometer which is -10 degree. It goes up to 100 degree, but 1 by 2. The accuracy is 1 by 2. This one the accuracy is only 1 degree, and this is again mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometers are more accurate, considered to be more accurate because of the fast response. This one is alcohol, but the 50 degree and up to 1 by 5 means every division is every line is divided into 5 lines. Between 1 and 5 there are 25 lines. So there is another one which is alcohol thermometer up to -10 to 110, but 1 degree accuracy. We have got 1 by 2 degree also, 1 by 1 degree also. This is again yellow back. This is white back. These are white back thermometer. These are yellow back thermometers. It is 1 by 1 means 1 degree accuracy, and it goes up to 150. So alcohol maximum is up to 150 degree. There is another one which is again 1 by 2, but mercury thermometers. Mercury thermometers are considered to be more accurate. This one is 250 degree, 1 by 1, 250. We have got 350 also, -10 to 350, which is again mercury. 250 is also mercury, and they are 0.2 degree accuracy or 300 degree accuracies. And if you want to check any thermometer, you want to check how much is the temperature, it should be checked in the water. You should not check it in hand, because if you put it in hand, the temperature will keep on changing. So better keep it in water, shake the water a little bit, wait for about 10-20 seconds, then see. This temperature is about 25 degree. You can see a close-up of this. You can see this one is close-up. Yeah, it is about 25 degree. If you see from the front angle like this is approximately less than 25. So you can go with the accuracy water and same. But in mercury it is little difficult to read. Here also you can see the line is there. You can see this line, but you have to rotate it. See this, it is about this, and you have to rotate it before checking it, any thermometer. So that's easy. There are prismatic thermometers also nowadays, not very easily available, and they are not available. They are just like clinical also. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. And this is our WhatsApp number, and these are our website www.abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Subscribe to our channel. Please like the videos and share with others. Thank you very much.